Today you are going to be rating my fidgets, and this is the first one. Well, you're not going to be rating them. I'm going to be rating my fidgets that I just got. Okay, so we're going to start with this thing, and right off the bat, I opened it. And these little things are white. They look somewhat dark in the camera, but don't worry about my hair. Yeah. Okay, so I love how they roll around. That's pretty fun. And yeah, but yeah, and there are different ways you could hold it and stuff. But I would recommend holding it like this, or well, I won't recommend doing this. This is kind of annoying. But I'll recommend doing something like this or like this. But don't do anything where this little thing goes in. Oh, and where I got this from. This is just a random thing I found throughout the house, and I thought it would be cool for a fidget. So yeah, that's why I have this. Now we're gonna go on to our next fidget. Next, we have this mesh ball. The mesh is still on it. I'm gonna take the mesh off and then show you because I already hate the mesh. Girl, you're still on your bed. Sorry, my sister's talking to me. My sister is very annoying. The mesh is not coming off the mesh ball.
Did I clean the room?
No.
Yes, I did.
You don't look clean. I'm just kidding.
I'll be right back.
Okay, now the mesh is coming off of the mesh ball. Look at that. The mesh is very flexible now, and yeah. And here's the mesh ball without any mesh, and yes, this mesh one lights up. I really like this one because the texture is extraordinarily amazing. And so yeah, and when I'm mad, I could just throw it in and I get distracted from all my bad problems. And it's really fun, and it has bubbles in it, so that's really cool. I don't know if you guys can see the little sorry for showing my face. I wasn't supposed to show my face in this video, but I did. But I'm gonna X that out. But now I know. Anyways, we're gonna go to our next fidget. Next we have this Play-Doh.
Here's my slime,
this thing, and it has a mesh.
You must be
supposed to be
thinking, how did I make
ball,
it? Well,
but
I put
it's
it
not a mesh
Play-Doh
ball,
with
so
gum,
I
and it
just
made
put
this
tape on it
amazing
because
brown
I
slime.
fidget board, so it's like a mesh ball. Yeah, this tape is very bendy.
Are you even listening
It's the same
to
thing
me?
as this thing, so yeah. And this fidget is I don't like the feeling of it, but I do like the little design and how the design feels, but I don't like how it feels in general. So yeah, now this mesh ball is very
Look at the slime I made.
Move! Now this mesh ball is very cool and fun. So now we're gonna go get our next thing, and yeah. And I already told you guys about the mesh ball, but next we just have a fidget board. Clearly these things are on a fidget board because they had tape on. I'm gonna tape these things back to the fidget board in a little bit after this video, but yeah. And here is the thing, the door thing. And this is how the door works.
Every single day.
So yeah. But you're dirty for picking up gum that was on the floor that probably was chewed up, you nasty little girl. Gross. Then why is it like that? Gum wouldn't be like that if it wasn't chewed up, and it wouldn't be out of its wrapper. And I really like this, and this was glued to the freezer board too, but I already took the tape off, which I call mesh. So yeah, peace, and I'm gonna, yeah, peace.